Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete archived emails on Gmail. Archiving emails is a great way to declutter your inbox without losing important messages, but sometimes you need to clear out those archived emails too. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account and navigate to left hand side where you see the menu. Click on More. Scroll down until you find All Mail or More. Click on it. This will show all your archived emails. Now select the emails you want to delete. You can do this by clicking on the checkbox next to each email or by selecting all emails on the page using the checkbox at the top. Next, once you have selected all the emails, look for delete button or icon at the top. It looks like a trash can icon. Click on it and Gmail will remove all those archived emails to trash. Remember, emails in trash will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you are sure you want to delete them, you can also click on trash on the left hand menu. Select the emails and click on delete forever to empty trash. And that's it. You have successfully deleted archive emails on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.